Hey guys, welcome back to week 4 BUS350. It is a beautiful Sunday afternoon of May 27th. Um, this Sunday, I gotta tell you, it's hotter than heck outside. It's like 86 degrees, and here we are just still in May. Um, so yeah, it's getting warm quick. No stopping it now. Summer's definitely set in. We jumped right in from winter into summer, so that's pretty fun. Anyway, it's a beautiful hot day out there today. This week we got a lot going on in small business. I got week 5. Let's take a look in week 5. You have got 2 chapters I want you to read. I want you to take on chapters 8 and chapters 9. Don't forget the PowerPoints. The 2 PowerPoints, I want you to read through those. There's also an article on how to price your small business, so products and service. How to price your small business products and service. Make sure you go to that URL, take a look at that assignment as well. You have a video to watch on the Disney Channel. It's building actually it's not on the Disney Channel. It's building a brand they'll love for life. How do you brand? How do you build that brand? How do you get people to know? When people see that MD, they understand that's Mountain Dew. When people see that little H with a circle around it, they know that's a Honda. Actually, it's not even a circle around it, it's just an H. Building the brand, how important it is. How do you make that part of people's lives? Everybody knows that red label Coke, and we know that's instantly Coca-Cola. So building a label. Why is that important? Why do we want to make that into people's lives? How many brands do you have sitting around you right now? How important is it to build that brand? Why? So that's a great video to watch. I wanted to take that on as well. For the discussions this week, pretty simplistic, obviously. If you stop and think about it, let's go into the module week 4. Jump in here. What simple steps can you take to find out what customers want? And is the customer always right? These are 2 questions I want to ask. Let's kick that around in the discussion forum. Is the customer always right? Not my opinion, but hey, that's another story. It depends on a lot. There's a lot of variables to answer that. So let's kick around what that means and what those variables are. When would it be appropriate when the customer is not right? You struggle to get a market share as a small business unless you've got a corner on the market, meaning you're the only company that does what it does. And I seriously doubt that's the case. Even Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, during his situation he was talking with Congress, even said that, well, we aren't the only, because Congress kept saying they have a corner in the market, they have a monopoly, and Facebook was even saying, well, no, we don't. There's other services out there that provide what we do. We have a large umbrella, and we provide a lot of little things that are under that one umbrella called Facebook. But there are a lot of organizations and companies out there that provide the same as this part. There's another company that provides the same as this part. So you can't really call it a monopoly like Ma Bell was back in the 70s. Ma Bell, by the way, Bell was they ran all of the telephones. If you had a telephone, it was ran by Bell. They split up to Atlantic Bell, Midwestern Bell, Pacific Bell. There are all these different sub-organizations under Bell for your telephones, and the government came in and said, no, you can't be a monopoly like that. You got to break up into different companies, and that's exactly what they did. The government shut down that big conglomerate and made a bunch of small companies out, competing companies. So that was a situation where a company got too big. Amazon, are they trying to monopolize online sales? I don't think it'll ever happen. Are they monsters? Yes, they're huge. They're tremendously large. But is that a good thing or a bad thing? Are they controlling the prices? Are they able to adjust economies because of it, because they are so big. That's what we want to look at. That's what we want to keep an eye on. Are they using it to a disadvantage to other people and creating an unfair market? One of the tricks of these big companies is if there's a competitor out there, if you cannot bury them, buy them. Make them part of your company. Then you shut them down. No longer a competition. Anyway, that's part of capitalism, part of the fun stuff. So let's kick around some of those questions in the discussion. You have an assignment due this week as well. The assignment is very simple. Chapter 6, I want you to complete questions 1, 2, and 3 on page 188. Chapter 7, I want you to complete questions 4, 5, and 6 on page 217. That's your homework assignment. Again, Microsoft Word needs to be in Microsoft Word. Does not need to be an APA, but I do want you to use a consistent, clean format. Make sure your name is on the paper. Write the question number, the question, and then your response. That's important as well. So, keep that in mind. I do read these, folks. I don't just throw a grade at them. I do read your responses. So whenever you write gibberish down for a response, you're not going to get credit for it. Unfortunately, that's just not how this works. I'm looking for answers to these questions. So keep that in mind. Now, let's move on here. You also have a quiz that is due by Saturday night, but I really would appreciate it if you do not wait until Saturday night to take on the quiz. It's 20, I can't remember if it's 20 or 25 questions. It is worth 100 points. You do get 2 attempts to take the quiz. When I say you have till Saturday night to complete it, that doesn't mean that you need to wait until 10 o'clock on Saturday night to take it. I've had a couple of issues where students will wait, and then there was a problem with taking the quiz, such as bad internet, they couldn't get logged on, one of 100 different reasons why. Try to take the quiz a day earlier, so if there's a problem, you can call me or text me and I can get it fixed. I cannot fix it at 10 o'clock on Saturday night. Probably not going to answer the phone or the text at 10 o'clock on Saturday night. I'm accessible, but not that accessible most of the times. Give me a call, give me a text, and I'll reply back as soon as I can. But if it's past the time and the problem is yours and not mine, you're not going to get to take that quiz. You're going to get a 0 for it. So I hate to see that happen. So keep that in mind. And usually if it's a problem, more than one students are experiencing it, and I usually have a ton of phone calls or emails coming in when there's a problem. That way I know, oh, that's my mistake. That wasn't just your computer not being able to get on there. So here we go. That's what we got for the week. Let's see. I think that's it, guys. That's pretty much what we have. All right, let's have a great week. Enjoy it, and I will talk to you guys soon. I'll see you in the discussions. Appreciate it.